Get that mad volume, y'all. How about getting these curls, huh? Yeah. This is Quarantine Hair Tutorial, take 1 and marker. What is happening, people out there on YouTube, all my curly hair lovers and friends out there? You know, the #1 requested video, aside from like Lana Del Rey Glambot or Billie Eilish Glambot, is to do a hair tutorial. I get asked that question all the time, and I'm very, very, very excited to finally do a hair tutorial. This is what it looks like. I'm gonna show you how to do it. We gotta rewind in time to go to my bad hair. That's it. Alright, so you first have to start with just nappy dried out hair. Yeah, this is not its best condition. First things first, I gotta wash this thing. Usually I wait way too long to do that, spend half hour detangling. So we start with this guy. This is like, it has marshmallow in it, and like mango, and it's like, I don't know how this thing works, but you detangle, this is the best detangler ever. So I do this first, then I do a little co-wash, been using the Briogeo. Anyways, it's avocado and quinoa co-wash. Alright, so normally I put the leave-in in the shower because you want to do it when your hair's really wet, but I'm doing it outside the shower so I can show you what I'm doing. And I'm all soaking wet. Basically, just put this in. You just want to get it all around. Make sure you got it in your hair. Sometimes I use a comb when I detangle my hair, or a wet brush, and sometimes I just finger rake. Just depends. You know, thumbs up if you get these hands. Alright, so once I got the leave-in in, I put a little bit of this. I guess this is more leave-in. Maybe I don't need this. And I don't put that much in this. I just put a little bit. I guess it's a lot. I don't know. Who knows? I have no idea. This is just what I figured out. Get that going. Now comes good stuff. Yo, my hands are so gross. But I put this stuff in. This just goes on the ends. And this just gets the little scrunch up on the ends. That's all that is. Yeah, just like that. And then to finish it, Frizz controlled gel. And this is the final move. Flip it over, get it all over. We're already looking like we got decent curls happening. I usually don't. I gotta wash my hands. I got a cable right by the faucet. I don't usually blow dry my hair all the way to the end because I'm too lazy and it takes too much time and don't want to do it. But often I'll blow dry my hair for like 10 or 15 minutes just to get most of the moisture out, and then I'll just let it air dry. I'll go work, which is actually what I'm gonna do right now. I'm actually late for a conference call right now. I put everybody on hold to do this tutorial. So I'm just gonna blow dry my hair real quick, like 5 minutes, and then go downstairs and do my conference call. And then probably in like 2 hours when it's dry, I'll come back and I'll finish it. This blow dryer with like this huge diffuser, I got this on Amazon for like $30 or something like that. I'll try to link it. All right, so I go medium heat, high air, and just imagine this for 20 minutes. This is what it is. I also flip my hair upside down and then blow dry it upside down, so I'm gonna go do that. All right, so we're basically dry enough so I'm not dripping wet. I'm gonna go do my conference call real quick, and then I'll be back in like an hour. I don't know, we'll see how long it is, and then we'll deal with the dry hair a little bit.
Ruin their hair forever.
All right, we have finished air drying, half blow drying, air drying my hair. Truth be told, after I finished washing it, I had to work, and so I sat in a Zoom meeting for 2 hours and my hair air dried. It is now way later, and my hair is fully dry. So, but you can see it's like a little flat, you know? Could use a little bit more volume, and that is where the last product comes in handy. Big Sexy Hair. This is the secret weapon in the hair fluffing thing. So actually, after your hair dries, the thing you gotta fluff it a little bit because it still has like the gel, so it's like it's still a little like hard. So you gotta do this. You gotta do this. You gotta do this a little bit. Gotta do this a little bit. This really, this gets it going. So this helps, kind of just breaks up, curls, gets a little volume. So you can see it's like a little better, but the trick is this stuff. So what I do with this, it's like a little powder, put it in my hand and I flip my hair over and I put it up through here and kind of around the sides. And you just get a little more volume. Let's see the magic. Oh, jeez, that's too much. All right. Too much. Whew. Be careful not to inhale it like an idiot, like I just did. All right. Get this guy, and we do this. The other hand motion I do is like, and I pull up, I guess. Like you almost want to like make your hair at the roots like frizzy, so because that will keep, that will give your hair more volume. So you kind of just like shake out the roots with the powder in it, and then use this guy to comb it out a little bit, just to fluff it up, get in all the angles. Yeah, there we go. Now we got some good hair. Yeah, I'm done. Now I don't do anything for 5 days. Then it gets super tangled and totally knotted, and I do this whole process all again. That's basically it. If I could go out, I would go out now, but I can't, so I'm just gonna have nice hair at home, I guess. Yeah, that's it. That's the end of the tutorial. I've been getting asked about this all the time, so thank you for requesting it. If this is the content you guys want, let me know in the comments below. Actually, also, tell me what you do for your hair, because I literally just like made this stuff up. This is kind of what I do, what I found has worked. I'm always down to try new stuff, so if there's things that you do, please tell me what products you use, what things you do. I would love to know about it so I can try it. We can do more hair tutorials, more updates. This is Quarantine Hair. If you like this kind of content, let me know. Smash the subscribe button for this and more fun hair stuff. And I will see you guys next time. I'm gonna go have beautiful hair in my living room now. Alright, cool. Thanks for watching. Peace.